Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Pickering, local, and long-distance movers near me. When it's time to move to a new place, getting the right assistance is essential. 3 Movers will take care of the job efficiently and for an affordable price. We offer high quality and professional moving services in Pickering, Ontario. We handle long distance and local moves. A long distance move is an arduous process. There is a lot of logistics involved, from the weight of the cargo to the number of items to move and much more. You want to go with a company that will help make sense of the process. 3 Movers has professional staff ready to assist you with your move. We have comprehensive insurance to protect your belongings through every step of the process, and our extensive fleet helps keep our prices affordable. We also provide you with a reliable price estimate based on your location and the size and weight of your belongings. Such an estimate is essential to a proper moving project. You might be tempted to perform a local move by yourself. However, this can be a time-consuming process, not to mention that if not handled properly, damage could come to your items. We understand wanting to save on costs, but it doesn't mean that you have to go at it alone. 3 Movers will help you keep your costs low and plan your move so that it takes you the least amount of time necessary. We will even throw downsizing tips to keep the cargo weight and size manageable. If there are items that you aren't ready to part ways with yet, you can make the most of our storage solutions until you have space for them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pickering moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.